Hi, I'm Slopes. Mental health is an issue that's very near and dear to my heart. Before my mom passed away, she went through a mental breakdown and suffered through a lot of mental health issues. I myself suffered through a lot of mental health issues, still do to this day. A bit of depression, anxiety. So it's very prevalent in my life. That's why I decided to build this app called THERA. THERA is a mental health application that uses ChatGPT's AI system to basically function as a therapist or a friend or just someone to listen to you when you need to rant or talk about anything. It uses the latest ChatGPT 4 model and basically aims to achieve three things. Accessibility, basically allowing people to have readily available access to mental health treatments and knowledge about how to treat mental health. Affordability, it's an app that's way less expensive than having to go to a doctor, a therapist, that makes it very affordable for users to access the treatments that they need. And knowledge, allowing people to learn about mental health without feeling judged or feeling inferior. I know in a lot of ethnic households, mental health is not really a topic that's talked about or brought up much. So the app aims to allow for people to have access to that type of knowledge or just talk about mental health without any worry at all. So yeah, that's basically the basis of THERA, and this is how it works.
Right, and this is THERA, looking nice and snazzy. Basically, what you start with doing is registering your profile or your account, just your email and a password. Once you've registered, you get taken to a profile section where we just get your basic information, and you can add an image to make it more interactive and more familiar. We're just using a Shigo picture for now, but here you just create your profile by stating your name, age, gender. It's left open if you identify as a different gender. And what's cool here is you can select what type of AI you want, whether you want it to act as more of a therapist or more as a friend. We'll go with therapist. And this is your home section. It starts out empty, but when you click the floating button on the side, it starts the THERA session. And this is where you interact with the ChatGPT therapist AI called THERA. And in this session, we'll talk about feeling sad and see how it reacts with dealing with sadness. It basically comforts you and kind of tries to get you to talk about why you're feeling sad, just like a real therapist would. And this is a big issue that's going through a lot of people in our generation where they don't feel like they're doing enough with their lives. And let's see how it deals with that issue. And yeah, it says it's common to feel that way, and a big thing that can help is setting goals. So, as a developer, I said, I'm a developer. Can you help me set some goals? It did a little bit of thinking and provided me with a list of goals I can set as a developer. And what's cool is that you can save this conversation so that you can read it later, or if you forget what it said, you can remember. And what's also cool is that you can use these sessions to take it to a doctor, a therapist, if you need to get prescription medication or anything like that. Uh, then we also have this info section where it talks about different mental health issues, gives you a brief explanation, and this can help you identify with any mental health that you might be suffering with. And you can even ask ChatGPT to kind of help you out and try and determine what mental illness you have. Otherwise, you can just use it as a friend. In this session, we talk about getting a new dog and even ask you what type of dog you got. It's very interactive. You tell it's a husky, lets you know about the husky dog, and maybe you don't know what to name it. And it can help you with that too. What should I name my new dog? Use your list of names, meanings, and anything like that. Say thank you, and you can save that for later use. So this is your friend and therapist in your pocket, affordable, very easy to use, very intuitive, and we hope that it helps a lot of people. Thank you.